Germany has officially delivered its sixth IRIS-T SLM air defense system to Ukraine, fulfilling a major milestone in its military support. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz confirmed the news during a press conference following the European Council meeting in Brussels. This marks the completion of Germany's pledge to supply 6 IRIS-T SLM systems, alongside 2 additional IRIS-T SLS launchers set to arrive by the end of 2024. The IRIS-T SLM is a cutting-edge air defense system designed to intercept a wide range of aerial threats, including drones, aircraft, helicopters, and cruise missiles. With a range of 40 kilometers and a top speed of Mach 3, this medium-range system provides precise and continuous protection over vast areas. Key to its effectiveness is advanced technology, including infrared-guided missiles and an integrated network of radars and combat control systems, like the Saab Giraffe and TRML-4D radars. These elements ensure rapid detection and response to multiple threats, making the system a critical asset for modern defense strategies. Since its deployment in Ukraine, the IRIS-T SLM has proven vital in protecting civilians and infrastructure from relentless Russian airstrikes. This system, paired with the short-range IRIS-T SLS launchers, creates a comprehensive, layered defense network that significantly enhances Ukraine's resilience. Germany's commitment to Ukraine represents a significant shift in its defense policy. From initial hesitations, Germany has now become the second-largest supplier of military aid to Ukraine, after the United States. The delivery of the IRIS-T systems not only underscores this commitment, but also highlights Germany's technological capabilities on the global stage. These advanced defense systems are more than a military tool. They symbolize international solidarity and a shared commitment to protecting sovereignty and security. As the IRIS-T continues to defend Ukraine's skies, it plays a crucial role in countering ongoing hostilities and ensuring the safety of Ukrainian civilians. Stay tuned for more updates on this story and other developments in global security.